Okay, twofold video. One, I wanted to try this kind of neck camera thing that I just got. It's a little wobbly, but it'll work. And two, I'm hemming some wrist cuffs. Okay, so wrist cuffs and hems in general. It's a couple ways you can hem things, and this is something I've seen people do, and both ways are effective. I think this way is a little more secure, but so doing these wrist cuffs, right? And this could be on a number of things. It could be on a hem on anything, kick pads, things like that. I hem mine after I sew the seam. So I'll sew this seam. This would be one long piece, normally about 8 inches for a wrist cuff. I hem my seam, or stitch my seam on the serger, or however I'm going to do it. And then I fold it over inside itself like this and stitch around and hem it this way. That way it locks everything down. Now it's a little more difficult because I have to get up in here and hem it this way in the round of the fabric. So it's a little slower, a little bit more time consuming, but it locks these seams down. When you can do, and I've seen people do this, and I've tried it, I just don't like it. You can hem it first. So you can fold this down. I wish I had another piece to do this, but you can fold this down first and run it flat through the sewing machine. So say this was just your piece. You could fold it like this and then run it through and then do your seam. But then it's going to be bulky up in here, and if this comes loose, your hem and everything is going to come loose. Whereas this here keeps this seam from coming undone, or it's less likely to come undone, like you'd find on a pair of pants or shorts or a shirt, something like that, that has a hemmed pant cuff or sleeve or something like that. So just little take and little tip. And I mean, like I said, either way works and can be effective, especially if you backstitch really good and lock everything down. But I find this to be more effective, and the quality I feel is better, and it lasts a lot longer. So just a little behind the scenes Zodi stitching stuff. Now I'm going to do the rest of these cuffs. I've got 3 more to do, I think, and then I can mail these off. So back to work.